Nnamdi Kanu challenges legality of his trial, cites Nigeria's violation of international treaty. The detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi Kanu, has once again questioned the legality of the charges brought against him by the federal government, arguing that his trial violates international law. Kanu, who is facing terrorism-related charges, stated that Nigeria breached an international treaty in the process of his rendition, insisting that no valid trial can proceed on an illegality. His remarks have reignited debates over Nigeria's adherence to international legal obligations and their broader implications for justice and due process. The case, which has drawn both domestic and international attention, remains a flashpoint in ongoing discussions around human rights, sovereignty, and the rule of law in Nigeria. Let's hear what he's got to say after today's proceedings.
Not me. As simple as that. Section 2, subsection 3F of Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act. That's what it says. Any cause considered to try me is committed an act of terrorism. Yes. Very clear. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then come to try that very person is not done anywhere in the world. So you must be aware of that. So that is why there is all these ridiculous delays. That is what Supreme Court said. I did not jump in. My home was invaded. They came to kill me and I survived. They came to Kenya to kidnap me, brought me back to this country and seeking to try me, which the law says cannot happen. You cannot violate a treaty that Nigeria entered into and then hope to stand on that illegality to conduct a trial is not done anywhere in the world. And it happened in my case.
Okay, that's Nnamdi Kanu after today's proceedings. And it's quite interesting how he's quoting these laws, and it's actually true. There's nobody that doesn't know that particular law. And it's so unfortunate that he's still being held in custody. One would wonder really what exactly is still keeping him. There have been several discussions in that regard. Some people say there have been some negotiations in the back door, and those negotiations haven't fallen through. One of those negotiations is that he should join a certain political party. It is only when he joins that party that he can be released. Another school of thought says, leaders of the Southeast, political leaders specifically of the Southeast, don't want him out because if they do, he might scuttle their chances in the 2027 general elections, or he might cause insecurity already in the Southeast. So it's neither here nor there. We still have these issues lingering, and really one wonders, where do we go from here? The court has actually adjourned it to November 4th, 5th, and 6th for further hearing. Got some reactions here, and the reactions are just crazy. Some of them saying that he's a very, very intelligent man, he's a man of the people, someone who still has his brains intact. Recently, he sacked his lawyers, saying he wants to defend himself. And so ever since then, it's been fiery, it's been feisty. And I really don't know how it's going to turn out at the end of the day. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'd love to hear from you as always.